Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about MIMO systems, multiple input and multiple output systems. MIMO systems are system with multiple elements and NOS at both link ends. MIMO uses the MIMO of a MIMO system, a beam forming, diversity, interference suppression, spatial multiplexing for transmission of several data streams in parallel. Technology that uses multiple antenna in transmitter side as well as in receiver side. This is a simple diagram of MIMO systems. How MIMO works? Multiple input and multiple output takes advantages of multipath. MIMO uses multiple antennas to send multiple parallel signal from transmitter. In an urban environment, these signals will bounce off trees, buildings, etc. and continue on their way to their destination, the receiver. With MIMO, the receiving end uses an algorithm or special signal processing to sort out the multiple signals to produce one signal that has the originally transmitted data. Multiple data streams transmitted in a single channel at the same time. Multiple radio collects multipath signals. Adaptive signal processing at both transmitter and receiver. Multiple antennas at both link end leads to some interesting new technical possibilities. Spatial multiplexing is a new concept. It allows direct improvement of capacity by simultaneous transmission of multiple data stream. System model. At the transmitter, the data stream enters an encoder whose output are forwarded to transmit antennas in transmitter antennas. From the antennas, the signal is sent through the wireless propagation channel, which is assumed to be quasi-static and frequency flat. This is a MIMO system, multiple input and multiple system setup. By quasi-statics, we mean that the coherence time of the channel is too long that a large number of bits can be transmitted within this time. We denote the N R into NT matrix of the channels. Hij or complex channel gains transfer function from the jth transmit to the ith receive antenna. The received signal vector R is equal to Hs plus N is equal to X plus N contains the signal received by NR antenna received antenna elements, where S is the transmit signal vector and N is the noise vector. The two main formats for MIMO are given below. Spatial diversity. Spatial diversity is referred to transmit and receive diversity. These two methodologies are used to provide improvements in the signal to noise ratio, and they are characterized by improving the reliability of the system with respect to the various forms of fading. Spatial multiplexing. This form of MIMO is used to provide additional data capacity by utilizing the different path to carry additional traffic, increasing the data throughput capability. As a result of the use multiple antennas, MIMO wireless technology is able to considerably increase the capacity of a given channel while still obeying Shannon law. By increasing the number of receive and transmit antennas, it is possible to linearly increase the throughput of the channel with every pair of antennas added to the system. Spatial multiplexing. Spatial multiplexing uses MIMO at the